What excites you the most about where AI and robotics are heading over in the next decade? How do you balance innovation with responsibility when building technology that can be used in sensitive environments?
I mean, so I think there are like different ways people can build organizations, and they all have their intended and unintended outcomes. Uh, there was this like prevailing thought in Silicon Valley that like trust and safety is a separate thing, right? Like, which is you
Hmm.
build a trusted safety team that sits outside, and their job is to kind of like monitor what the technology teams are doing and then flag risks. Um, uh, that became politically quite bastardized over the last decade, because what ended up happening when we said trust and safety was much more so um, a lack of diversity of thought. Like, we had all of these different kinds of bastardized ideas that continue to get layered up in Silicon Valley. And I just think that's like the wrong way to think about it. Like, I think the whole idea that humans that are building these products and technologies do not firsthand understand and care about the impact of the technology, I think is a
Hmm.
very, I think that's a very like cynical view on humanity. Um,
Right.
so what we've done is like we essentially screen for and hire people who are builders but also care about having a positive impact on the world. So like they
Right.
care about having these technologies be safe. They care about having these technologies have the intended impacts that you really want, versus not. But I do think the better structure, organizational structure, is you build that as a part of your culture. It's not a separate thing. Every single team needs to think about trust and safety, because
Hmm.
without that, I also don't think it's a viable long-term strategy. If your product isn't reliable, safe, people don't trust it, uh, not enough people are going to adopt it. So by
Right.
definition, I think it's a product problem. But to me, I think it's quite intertwined, which is um, we don't have a safety board, we don't have a trust and safety team. We just hire people that care about building these technologies in a responsible way.
What excites you the most about where AI and robotics are heading over in the next decade?
I mean, I think to me, like I'm a big champion of this like cities of the future idea, right?
Hmm.
Like I think all of these autonomous technologies can greatly benefit humanity by making cost of everything like kind of free, right?